Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leave Insert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Construction 9, angle of a given number of degrees with the given ray as one arm. Okay, so basically that's asking you to draw a certain angle of a certain degrees. So there's no video worksheet with this one, so I just got a blank sheet of paper and I just drew on it, draw an angle of 75 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to use that as the example to show you how to construct it. Okay, so you draw your given ray, okay, which is a line as such. Okay, and I'm going to label it AB, and I'm going to draw an angle of 75 degrees here at A. So to do this, you need your protractor, so again part of your math set, and what you do is you put your protractor down here onto your ray, so that this line in your protractor runs on top of this line here. Now the crosshairs right in the center, that very node there has to go down onto point A. Okay, so you can see I am drawing it like this. Okay, so angle of 75 degrees, if I was going to draw a rough one, there would be a 90-degree angle. So something there is 75 degrees. Okay, so my line is going to come out here somewhere here. So we have two options. There's two scales on the protractor. There's one here starting at 0 and working back this way. And then there's an outer one, starts 0 and works this way. Okay, so because this is my ray here at the bottom, I'm going to start at 0 because this is where my angle is starting. So I start at 0 here and I work all the way around to 75. And what you do is you put a little tick out here at 75 degrees. Okay, and then using your ruler, or of course you can use your protractor, you join the point A up to that little tick that you had in on your construction. Okay, and then you mark in your angle of 75 degrees. Okay, and that's really all there is to it. Can I draw angles on the other side, coming from the other side? Yes, I can. How about this time we draw 75 degrees coming from the other side? Okay, so in other words, draw it at the angle B. Okay, so again, what I do is I put my protractor. Again, if you think about a rough drawing of this, sometimes it's very handy to draw a rough drawing. Won't my 75 degrees be that way? So that's why I'm concerning myself now with the other side of the protractor over here. Okay, so it wouldn't make sense to put the crosshairs anywhere but as such. Okay, so you can see this is the half of the protractor now that's over my area of interest. I don't read from here 75 degrees. Of course that would give me enough choose angle. Anyway, my line isn't over here, my line is here. So now I'm starting at here is my 0 point and I'm reading on the outside. So there's my 75 degrees up here. And just like before, I join B to that tick. And there is my 75-degree angle. Okay, it's just as easy to draw an obtuse angle, so I'm going to do that for my final example. Just wait for it to focus a little bit. So draw an angle of 130 degrees, for example. So again, let's draw a line. Let's do it from A, not that it matters, it's the same procedure. So put down your protractor onto A, so that this black line on your protractor is flush or is right on top of this ray we've drawn. and 130 degrees. So again, starting at 0, 130 is over here. I just about gave myself enough room to do that. So that is my 130 degree angle at A. Okay, which is what you'd expect. There's your 90 degree angle straight up, so 130 would be more.